Assalamu alaikum, wonderful people. I am Dr. Asma Mahmood. There are usually toxins in your food, and those toxins have to be eliminated if you want to get the best results out of your food. So, before starting your food, start it with the name of God, Bismillah Rahman Rahim, and then read the labels. Especially, today we'll be discussing the oils. What type of oils you should be eating and what type of oils you should be applying to your skin or your hair. Everybody uses oil, and that oil should be super healthy if you want to gain the best worth of your money and maintain your health. First label that you must have seen is organic. That is the buzzword today. Organic just means how the thing was harvested. Whether it is coconut oil, whether it is olive oil, almond oil, whatever oil, if it was grown in such a way that no chemicals or pesticides or insecticides were not used during the growth of that thing, then it can be labeled as organic. Make sure that you have government approved labels of being organic, because organic has become a buzzword and people use it like carelessly. Second important label is virgin or extra virgin, especially in case of olive oil. Basically, virgin means when the oil was extracted, no heat was used, no chemicals were used. The temperature during the extraction was less than 27 degrees Celsius. That is also cold pressed. So cold pressed oils are basically the oils which retain almost all of the properties of the plant from which they are extracted. Whether it is olive oil, almond oil, or sesame seed, if it is cold extracted, the chances are it retains most of its benefits. The virgin or extra virgin basically is terminology. Extra virgin is basically if the acidity level is 0.8 or less, and if it is a bit more than 0.8, then it is called virgin. But still, virgin cold pressed oils are the oils to go. The things that you apply on your head or you apply on your face or you eat, they should all be chemical free, and when you buy them you must make sure that your oils are first cold pressed and virgin at least. Okay, the third label that you must have seen on the oils is called pure. Pure just means that there is no other oil in it. Like if coconut oil is pure, then it's purely coconut oil. No mineral oil, no diesel, no petrol was added in that. Okay. Fourthly, the label that you must have seen is refined. Refined is a very tricky label. Refined means that during the extraction of the oil, they applied some heat, they applied some chemicals so that the smoke point became more. The thing is, once you apply all this heat and chemicals, you lose all the properties of the oil. So there is no use. If it has a high smoke point, it has been killed. Basically, your oil has been murdered during the process of refining. So no to refined oil. All of these oils like cooking oil, vegetable oil are basically refined oils which have lost all the properties or all the goodness that the plant had to offer in the form of oils. Okay, fifthly, you must have seen the word pomace oil. Pomace basically is a word of English and that means the pulp. The pulp that remains after the oil has been extracted. Whether the oil has been extracted by cold process, like it is less than 27 degrees Celsius, or it is due to heat and chemicals that in the form of refined oils, which is a bad oil. In both cases, whatever is left, the leftovers, they apply more heat and more chemicals to it and they extract more oil out of it. So basically, pomace is the worst oil that you can think of. I do not even consider it olive oil. Like if it is written olive pomace oil, I do not consider that olive oil. It is basically oil of the pulp that needed to be discarded, but eventually they made oil out of it. The best type of oils to eat or to apply on your face or hair are basically virgin cold pressed oils. And since they are the best type of oils, they are a bit costlier. But I would say this is investment in your health. Anyway, I have made the hair oil video just a few days back, and all the oils that I used in my hair oil were basically virgin cold pressed oils, just because this process, this kind of oil retains all the benefits of the plant from which it is derived. And once you use the oil for your hair or for your face, you have to take care of few more things. Like and you will have to do internet research over this. I cannot explain everything in this short video. Basically, there is something called comedogenic score. Comedogenic score of any oil is basically the tendency of that oil to cause pimples on your face. So anyone who is pimple prone or acne prone should be using oils or formulations. If you are taking it from the shops or buying it in the form of creams or lotions and there is some oil added in it, make sure you know the source of oil and the comedogenic score of that oil. So the people who are prone to acne or pimples should be using oils that are lesser on the comedogenic score. Okay. Similarly, there is something called as antioxidant score of any oil. Antioxidant score is basically the amount of antioxidants that any oil intrinsically has to offer. So if anyone is suffering from psoriasis, eczema, or any other inflammatory disease, they should be looking for oils with a high antioxidant score. So these are just a few pointers. You can customize your lotions, your hair oils. I have taught how to make hair oils. I have taught how to make face lotions. I have taught how to make everything, how to customize everything. These are just some of the basics that you must know before you start making your own product. And believe me, the best product for your skin is the thing that you make yourself. So thank you for watching the video till the end. In the comment section below, let me know what kind of oil do you use for cooking and eating, and what kind of oil do you use for applying to your face or hair or whatever else. Till we meet next time, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.